200 Unique, Modern Luxury Kitchen Designs, 2023. Top 15 Kitchen Remodel Ideas to having the kitchen of your dreams and achieving a successful kitchen remodeling process. Considered the heart of the home, the kitchen is where you cook and enjoy most of your meals, but it's also a gathering space for family. When designing your dream kitchen, it's important to balance timeless features with playful colors, patterns, and textures that reflect your personality and design aesthetic. We've seen big trends and styles already defining 2023. Think trending paint colors, wood cabinetry, and sustainability. Since interior design trends are ever-changing, we tapped interior designers and kitchen experts to share their top kitchen trends for 2023. You may not want to completely remodel your space every year, but that doesn't mean there aren't creative ways to keep your cooking space feeling fresh and modern. For kitchen countertops, the pros note that both natural and expressive stones will continue to be top picks. For kitchen colors, they're loving dusty greens and blues, as well as soft hues like terracotta, natural browns, and creamy whites. We're seeing designers experiment with bolder choices like mixed metals, high contrast color palettes, double islands, and overstated cabinet hardware. Swap out your backsplash tile, add a fresh coat of paint to your kitchen island, or layer in handmade artisan details, all of which can be completed in a few hours. Now, let's explore top kitchen remodel ideas that will turn your cooking space into a culinary haven. Let's get started. Embrace open concept design. First up, we have the timeless and popular open concept design. Removing walls to create an open layout not only enhances the aesthetics, but also makes your kitchen more functional. This design allows seamless flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, promoting interaction and a sense of togetherness. We'll explore various open concept layout ideas and how they can elevate your kitchen space. Combining kitchen and dining spaces. Integrating kitchen and living areas. Adding an island for casual seating and extra storage. Utilizing glass partitions for defined spaces. Enhancing natural light with large windows and skylights. Upgrade your countertops and cabinets. The right countertops and cabinets can instantly transform your kitchen's appearance and functionality. From luxurious materials to smart storage solutions, we'll explore how these simple changes can make a significant impact. Quartz countertops for elegance and durability. Marble countertops for timeless beauty. Butcher block countertops for warmth and charm. Shaker cabinets for classic appeal. Handleless cabinets for a sleek and modern look. Pull-out drawers and lazy Susans for easy access. Glass front cabinets for display and visual interest. Embrace smart kitchen technology. Integrating smart technology into your kitchen is not just a luxury, but a necessity. We'll explore the latest innovations that will make cooking and managing your kitchen a breeze. Smart appliances, refrigerators, ovens, and dishwashers. Voice-activated assistants for hands-free control. Touchless faucets for enhanced hygiene. Under-cabinet lighting with motion sensors. Smart storage solutions with app integration. Focus on flooring. Don't overlook the impact of flooring in your kitchen remodel. Choosing the right material can tie the entire look together and add a touch of elegance. Let's explore some fantastic flooring options suitable for different styles and budgets. Hardwood flooring for classic warmth. Porcelain tiles for durability and versatility. Patterned tiles for a playful and artistic touch. Luxury vinyl flooring for affordability and easy maintenance. Concrete flooring for industrial and modern aesthetics. Create a stunning backsplash. A backsplash is an excellent opportunity to inject personality and style into your kitchen. Let's explore some eye-catching backsplash ideas that will become the focal point of your cooking space. Subway tiles for timeless charm. Moroccan-inspired tiles for bohemian vibes. Herringbone pattern for a sophisticated look. Mosaic tiles for artistic expression. Stainless steel for a sleek and contemporary feel. Incorporate effective lighting. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood and functionality of your kitchen. Let's explore how you can use different lighting fixtures to create a well-lit and inviting space. Pendant lights for focal illumination. Under cabinet lighting for task lighting. Recessed lighting for a clean and minimalist look. Chandeliers for an elegant and dramatic touch. Skylights for natural daylighting. Integrate eco-friendly features. Incorporating eco-friendly elements in your kitchen not only benefits the environment, but also enhances your overall living experience. Let's explore some sustainable options that you can easily adopt. Energy-efficient appliances for lower energy consumption. Recycled and environmentally friendly materials. Compost bins for organic waste management. Low-flow faucets for water conservation. LED lighting for energy-efficient illumination. Incorporate creative storage solutions. A cluttered kitchen can make your cooking experience stressful. Discover some ingenious storage solutions that will help you maximize your kitchen space and keep everything neatly organized. Pull-out spice racks and utensil organizers. Custom pantry with adjustable shelves. Drawer dividers for cutlery and cookware. Hanging pot racks for space-saving storage. Wall-mounted shelves and magnetic strips for easy access. Add a touch of nature. Bringing nature indoors can infuse your kitchen with a sense of tranquility and freshness. Let's explore some innovative ways to incorporate greenery and natural elements into your kitchen remodel. Indoor herb garden for fresh seasonings. Hanging planters for vertical greenery. Decorative plant stands for aesthetic appeal. Large windows for a garden view. Natural wood accents for earthy vibes. Install a multifunctional kitchen island. A kitchen island is not just an additional countertop, it can serve various purposes and significantly improve the functionality of your kitchen. Let's explore some creative ideas for multifunctional kitchen islands. Breakfast bar for casual dining. Built-in wine rack for wine enthusiasts. Storage drawers and cabinets for utensils and cookware. Integrated sink and dishwasher for convenient cleanup. Rolling island for flexibility and mobility. Personalize your kitchen. Your kitchen should reflect your unique style and preferences. Let's discuss how to add personal touches that will make your kitchen feel like home. Gallery wall with family photos and artwork. Statement making decorative pieces. Colorful accessories for pops of personality. Vintage or handmade items for a nostalgic feel. Your kitchen is more than just a functional space, it's a reflection of your personality, and a place where memories are created. Now that we've explored various ideas, it's time to get creative and infuse your own personal touch. Optimize small kitchen spaces. Not everyone has a spacious kitchen, but that doesn't mean you can't create a stylish and functional cooking area. Let's explore some ingenious ideas to optimize small kitchen spaces and make the most out of every inch. Compact appliances for space efficiency. Foldable or extendable countertops. Wall-mounted pot racks and shelves. Magnetic knife strips for wall storage. Light colors and reflective surfaces for an airy feel. Sliding doors for space-saving entryways. Explore unique kitchen themes. A well-executed theme can add charm and character to your kitchen. Whether you're a fan of rustic farmhouse, sleek modern, or coastal beach styles, there's a theme for everyone. Let's delve into some exciting kitchen themes and how to bring them to life. Rustic farmhouse for warmth and homeliness. Scandinavian minimalism for clean and simple elegance. Coastal beach for a relaxing and nautical ambiance. Industrial chic for a raw and edgy vibe. Mediterranean for a timeless and Mediterranean-inspired look. Focus on ergonomics and accessibility. An efficient and accessible kitchen design is essential, especially if you spend a lot of time cooking and baking. Let's explore how to create a kitchen that prioritizes ergonomics and makes daily tasks a breeze. Proper counter and cabinet heights. Wide walkways for easy movement. Pull-out shelves for easy access to items. Task-specific workstations for efficiency. Comfortable seating and footrests. Seek professional guidance. Taking on a kitchen remodel can be exciting, but also overwhelming. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from professionals who can turn your dreams into reality. Whether it's a kitchen designer, contractor, or architect, their expertise can save you time, money, and stress. Consult with a kitchen designer for expert advice. Hire a licensed contractor for seamless execution. Collaborate with an architect for structural changes. Get multiple quotes and compare services. Congratulations, you've reached the end of our ultimate guide to the best kitchen remodel ideas. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights to create your dream kitchen. Remember, the key is to tailor your kitchen remodel to your unique preferences and lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a modern and sleek design or a cozy and rustic ambiance, the possibilities are endless. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our future home improvement content. If you've already remodeled your kitchen, or plan to do so, share your experiences and ideas in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Thank you all for joining us today. Until next time, happy remodeling and happy cooking.